Hey, welcome back. Today we're checking out the SpaceVac Backpack, a travel bag popping out all over social media promising to pack more and save space. Is it legit or just another scam? In this quick guide, we'll break down this quick video. You will know everything you need to know. Guys, firstly, the SpaceVac Backpack linked to SpaceVacPro.com markets itself as a game changer for travelers. It claims to fit a week's worth of gear with features like the TSA lock, waterproof material, and multiple compartments. It's got a decent buzz, thousands of units sold, and ads everywhere. Users on X and YouTube mention its sleek design and lightweight feel, making it a popular pick for frequent flyers. But does it hold up? Well, here's what's working. People like its ergonomic design, comfy, even when full. It's versatile, good for students, commuters, or hikers, and fits under airplane seats, dodging baggage fees. Some reviews praise the organization and durability, with the waterproof fabric holding up in rain. It's got a solid fan base for a reason. Now the flip side. Some users report zipper issues after heavy use, and few say it's smaller than expected for long trips. Posts on X hint at a slow shipping from SpaceVac Pro, and there's a debate about its value. It's priced higher than similar bags. Security-wise, the TSA lock helps, but no product's foolproof. Mixed feedback keeps it interesting. Is it legit? Well, it's a real product with real sales, not a scam in the classic sense. No regulation info is listed, but that's typical for accessories. Safety is decent with the lock and hidden pockets. Scam Detector gives SpaceVacPro.com a 26 out of 100, domains a year old, worth a double check. So, worth it or a scam? Well, it's got a legit appeal for travelers who value organization and style. It's not perfect, shipping in size might trip you up, but it's no outright fake. Test it small scale first. Tried it? Let me know below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.